Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Everybody has opened the book. Write down the date. Okay, I'll just read the above para beta, okay, first. Should I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in the above para, Jack, you know, he does not like the daughter interfering a lot, okay? And he says, John, it's daddy's story. Shall daddy not tell you any more stories? Her broad face looked at him through shifted light, astounded. This is what happened. And then he continues with the story. Roger Skunk and his mommy went home and they heard woo woo and choo choo train bringing daddy skunk from home from Boston. And they had lima beans, celery, liver, mashed potatoes, and pie. Oh my, for dessert. Dessert, you know, a sweet dish. Okay, and then he describes whatever they had in the supper. Supper is the evening meal. And when Roger Skunk was in bed, Mommy Skunk came up and hugged him and said he smelled like her little baby skunk again, and she loved him very much. And when this baby skunk, you know, he went to sleep, Mommy Skunk, she comes and she hugs his son and was quite happy and says that now he smell like original skunk. And that is the end of the story. And now father says that it is the end of the story. But Teddy, what then did the other little animals run away? Now she wants to know what happened then. If he had the smell, the bad smell again, what happened? Did the other baby animals, did they play with him again? No. Or they ran away? No, because eventually they got used to the way he was and did not mind it at all. Okay. And then he says, no, eventually means in a little while. Finally, what happened? At last, all the animals, you know, they got used to the body smell of Roger Skunk. Okay. Used to, okay, they got accustomed to his body smell and they did not mind it and they played with him. What is eventually? Now, when father, he uses the word eventually, the daughter is not able to understand it, okay? And eventually, she mispronounces it. So, father batate, it means in a little while. That was a stupid mommy. It was not, he said with rare emphasis, and believed from her expression that she realized he was defending his own mother to her or something at all. Okay? अब वो कहता है कि वो कहती है कि yeah, she was a stupid mummy. Why she considers mommy as stupid? Because she thinks that wizard had done something good. Okay, he had changed the bad smell of Roger Skunk into the smell of roses, and the baby animals, you know, the all the baby animals, they did not play with this character, with Roger Skunks, because of the bad smell. So, and instead of thanking the wizard, mommy, she goes and she hits the wizard on his head with the umbrella. So she does not like this idea of mommy hitting the wizard. तो वो एक कमेंट देती है कि it was a stupid mommy. It was not, he said with rare emphasis and belief from her expressions that she realized he was defending his own mother to her or something as well. Okay? और वो मना करता है कि no, it is not. और उसको ये लगता है from the expression of the daughter that father is defending his own mother. Okay? And then, you know, he tries to avoid any arguments with the daughter, and he says, now I want you to put your big heavy head in the pillow and have a long, good long nap. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम्हारा big heavy head जो है वो pillow में रखो, means just go to sleep. Have a long nap means have a long sleep. A short sleep बोला जाता है nap तो, but for a short time you just have a sleep. He adjusted the shade so not even a crack of day showed, and tiptoed to the door in the pretense that she was already asleep. So what happened? He adjusted the shade. Okay, he made the room dark so that not even a ray of light it could enter the room, and the room might become dark so that he might go to sleep. And he tiptoed means on the toes. He just without making any noise. He walked to the door, okay, and in this pretense, in this manner, he acted as if the daughter was already asleep. But when he turns back, as he was about to leave the room, and he turns back and looks at the daughter, she was crouching on top of the covers and staring at me. Okay, she was just sitting on top of the covers and she was continuously looking at him. Hey, get under the covers and fall fast asleep. Bobby's asleep now. Father, he directs the daughter to go to sleep as far little boy, okay? Bobby, his brother who was 2 years younger to her, was also sleeping. She stood up and bounced gingerly on the springs. Daddy, okay, how do the children do? They just spring, they just jump up, na, bounce karte na bed par. So similarly, gingerly means in a cautious manner, okay? She jumps up on the bed. What? Tomorrow I want you to tell me the story that that wizard took that magic wand and hit that mummy. Her plump arms stopped forcefully right over the head. Now she is insisting, forcing her father to tell her the story in which wizard took the magic wand and hits the mummy in return and does not change the smell of roses. Okay, and right over the head. No, that is not the story. The point is that the little skunk loved his mommy more than he loved all the other little animals, and she knew what was right. अब वो कहते हैं, father समझाते हैं कि no, it is not the story. Okay, the main point is that the little skunk, she loved his mommy more than he loved all the other little animals, and she knew what was right. Okay, and no, tomorrow you say he hit that mommy, do it. Okay? अब वो जो daughter है वो insist करती है, लेकिन father कहते हैं no, this is not the story. Okay, actually what? Skunk, he loved his mommy more than anybody else, and he just wants to, right? He just wants to give this message to the daughter that the child, he loved his mother more than all the other little animals they loved. Okay, and he wants to say that parents were more important for this baby skunk than all his friends, than all the other baby animals. And mother knew very well that what she has done, it was right. No, tomorrow you say he hit that mommy, do it. She kicked her legs up and sat down on the bed with a great heave and complaint of strength, as she had done hundreds of times before, except that this time she did not laugh. Say it, Daddy. Okay. Up, she says, no, tomorrow you are going to hit that mommy. Okay. And then she kicked her legs up. She started kicking. Again and again she was insisting, ki nahi, nahi, tomorrow you are going to repeat the story that she had hit the mommy. Okay, he had hit rather, I'm sorry. And then she sat down on the bed with a great heave, okay, with a great effort, and she started complaining as she had done hundreds of times, but it means she started throwing tantrums, all kinds of tantrums, but after throwing the tantrums, she used to laugh. But this time she was somewhat serious. Say, Daddy, bar force kar rahi hai na? Well, we will see now. At least have a rest. Stay on the bed. You are a good girl. Okay. Okay. वो कहती, well, we will see. Okay. Father कहते, okay. Now he wanted to just ignore it. Okay. And वो कहते, okay, fine. Okay. Now you take a rest. Stay on the bed. Come on. है ना? Be on the bed. You are a good girl. He closed the door and went downstairs. Claire had spread the newspapers and opened the paint can, and wearing an old shirt of his on top of a maternity smock was stroking the chair rail with a dipped brush. Okay. Now what happened? He closes the door, went downstairs. Claire spread the newspapers. When he goes down to the living room, he see that he had spread the newspapers. He had opened the paint can, and he was wearing an old shirt of his on top of a maternity smock. Smock is the maternity gown, उस पर shirt पहनी हुई थी. Moved the chair rail with, and she dipped a brush. Okay. Above him footsteps vibrated and he called. और उसके ऊपर क्या हुआ एकदम when he was sitting there downstairs in the room, तो वो सुनता है जय कि footsteps vibrate हुए. Okay. Shall I come up there and spank you? The footsteps hesitated. अब उसमें क्या हुआ, उस समय क्या होता है कि एकदम से है ना वो सुनता है फुटस्टेप्स वो वाइब्रेटिंग है ना, और वो कहता है जून कम ऑन कम अप, ओके आई एम गोइंग टू व्हाट इज ऑल दिस, मतलब he could hear the footsteps moving, so he scolds his daughter कि why you are moving there, should I come up and beat you? The footsteps hesitated. Okay. Now that was a long story, the Clary said. और footsteps जो थे फिर वो vanish हो जाते हैं. She might have gone and sat on the bed, और फिर Clary कहती, wife कहती है that was a long story. So the poor kid वो जवाब देता है, and with utter weariness. Now he was somewhat feeling very tired. So he watched his wife labor. The woodwork, a cage of moldings, rails and baseboards all around them was half old tin and half new ivory, and he felt caught in an ugly middle position. Okay, everything in the room had become a big mess, you know, moldings, rails, baseboards, everything was there. और जो कुछ तो हाफ ब्राउन थे हाफ न्यू आइवरी के थे, और उसको लगा कि अगली मिडिल पोजीशन में वो फंस चुका है. okay? मीन्स उसको एक मैरिज भी एक तरह की बॉन्डेशन लगने लगी, जिसमें he feels that his wife's presence in the cage with him, he did not want to speak with her, work with her, touch her, anything. Okay. और अपने वाइफ की प्रेजेंस वो फील करता है एज इफ बोथ आर कॉट इन द केज, और उसकी इच्छा नहीं होती है कि ही शुड स्पीक विद हर, वर्क विद हर, टच हर, एनीथिंग.